Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough video of a 2026 Vista Cruiser, and this is the 2.3 FBS floor plan. Now, Vista Cruisers are a very popular model here at Long Haul Trailer Sales, and that's for a number of reasons. One of the first things I like to show off about the trailer is its unique shape. So it's got this great aerodynamic look to it. Not only is that good for towing behind a vehicle with it being aerodynamic and all, but it is also a single piece of fiberglass. So Vista Cruiser uses a single piece of fiberglass from the very front all the way down to the very back. So hitch to bumper, single piece of fiberglass that really helps eliminate any worries about seals going bad on the top of the trailer. Also notable at the very front here, to protect the fiberglass from your towing vehicle, you also have diamond plating. You'll notice that this particular model also comes with a powered tongue jack as well as manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit. You're going to have two covered 20-pound propane tanks. And walking through the rest here, you're going to notice you have a pass-through storage area. This is a great compartment for storing all of your outdoor belongings. You have these motion sensor lights here that you could kick on if you wanted. You've got access through your pass-through storage area on the other side. And some floor plans do have access from the inside, but I kind of prefer this layout here where you've got separate outdoor storage, perfect for things like camp chairs, fishing poles, and coolers. And then inside you have all your extra clothes, blankets, things you don't really want to mix the two of them. Other features notable on the outside here are your powered LED strip lit awning. You've got your solid steps and a number of badges here on the side. Since this is a brand new trailer, you're gonna notice you have your 3-year structural warranty, and Azdel composite is built into this trailer, which we'll talk about more inside. This is a tandem axle travel trailer, a single slide out, which you'll see on the alternative side. You've got outdoor speakers and a nice little TV mount here. Very convenient on those nice days if you want to bring out, watch the NASCAR, watch anything else, you can watch it outside. The 23 FBS features this kitchen in the back. So you've got an outdoor kitchen here. Opening this up, you've got a small fridge, perfect for drinks, a little freezer compartment up above, and you've got a sink here too, little tabletop surface to work at. Easily locks in here with these deadbolts, and same story when you stow it away, you can lock it in the back with more deadbolts. Walking around the rear, you'll really notice that single piece of fiberglass design coming down. You've got a window in your rear washroom, a backup camera ready, so you can install a backup camera there quite easily. You've got your bumper as well as diamond plating, and on this side you're going to see you have that little slide out. Gives you a little bit more room on the interior, but not too crazy where you're not going to be fitting into those tighter campsites. Although it is a gloomy day here today, this trailer does feature 100-watt solar power on the roof, so that's going to help you out a little bit on the inside with your lights. Over here, this is going to be the master bedroom area. Nice open floor plan. If you do want to close it up, you've got the curtains up above where you can separate this area off, but nice and open floor plan here. So you've got your bed set up here 24/7, perfect for a couple's trailer. You've got a little wardrobe there to hang up some clothing so you're not living out of a suitcase. Storage up above. And as I touched on outside, you do have storage on the inside as well, completely separated by that wall, so you can stow some extra things in here without worrying about them getting dirty. And you've got these great gas springs to keep this up and out of your way. Pulling it back down here, we'll flip over into the kitchen. So you've got a large U-shaped dinette. The U-shape definitely gets you a lot more room than the standard ones. You can fit all the extra kids, guests, grandkids packed around this corner here. And then you've got perfect area to play some board games, have morning meals, have a sit down, have some tea or coffee. U-shaped dinette is definitely a spacious area for that. When it comes to the end of the night, if you are more than just a couple and you want to have this as an extra sleeping spot, this table is going to drop down onto these large plastic bumpers. These cushions will all come out and over, and now you're going to have an extra sleeping alcove. This is a very useful piece of marketing material that Vista Cruiser puts in here. Great for our customers to look through. But the thing I like mentioning is the Azdel Advantage. So Azdel is a synthetic composite. It is used in their walls, so it can absorb moisture. It won't rot or mildew, weighs less, and insulates better than wood. So it's a great feature for getting a little bit of a larger trailer, but still that lightweight design. Flipping over to the kitchen, you've got a stainless steel bowl sink with a high-rise faucet and this hose attachment, so that's a great combination to have. Just like you'd have at home, you've got storage up above. You've got storage below, both access to plumbing and larger storage, as well as little cupboards and drawers for utensils. Cooking options are pretty endless inside this trailer. You got a 3-burner stovetop, a traditional microwave, and an oven. So if you're not cooking on the campsite and having a fire, this is definitely going to give you flexibility for that. Opening this up, you've got a large full electric fridge freezer combo. And behind this washroom door here, plenty of more storage. Extra spots to hang clothing, jackets, more drawers here, access to your entertainment system, more storage there, perfect for DVDs or any games like that. And then up here is going to be your TV mount, all the associated plugins you're going to need for your entertainment. Walking into the back, it's kind of the same story. You're going to have plenty of storage. You have quick and easy to access storage here, whether that be paper towels, cleaner, bug spray, sunscreen, extra toilet paper. I like that spot for this because it's just a quick grab and go. You've got the same idea up above, and here you can store away more clothing, pack up some extra little totes and bins, have them all stored there. Definitely a decent amount of room if you are a couple or family that likes bringing lots of things with you, or if you don't like bringing lots of things with you, but you find you have to bring a lot of things with you. A trailer like the 23 FBS gives you that flexibility for storage. Main purpose of the washroom here, you've got the toilet, you've got a sink there to wash your hands, a medicine cabinet with a little bit of storage behind, and this corner mounted shower. You have a full plastic shower surround here, so no seals or anything to break in here. Very minimal silicone to keep an eye on. You've got your shower head there as well, and these great doors that'll close up, give you plenty of room with a natural skylight. 23 FBS is a great model. You've seen lots of different features in here which make it good for a couple or for a family. So if you want to see everything else this trailer has to offer in person, come on down and check this one out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.